See the Bennett me break it to the international level.
Any move bia is international level. Me wa ha we are from Germany. Adan the German government no amana kwan say on meyen hwehwemu based on the Kumo. I was shocked that time no people two twice. Mo credit mo yesini. Eh dan no mo hu. Movie called Netflix. Kwan when na hwe na Netflix. It's African community na hwe na Netflix. Netflix the same like a YouTube. Netflix na do content. Obi ka say Netflix do content. International na dia. Amazon any penny na to wade.
Directors a bit my directing movie a contention a two pay. Fifi Gabe, Jackson K. Benton.
Met me a kind of planes and yet two directors spend a bit in the account. Netflix in Amazon, you'll be the lead with the call. It's not about your director. I'm more director, you know. You have a magic, I'm not sure, say, Fifi Gabe, bit me, never be account. Depending on your content and your quality. Those days, near from Mr. Quality.
Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone so I don't know where you want. I'm sure they tell where you want. Lemfi now they send this guy until he is 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi until he. Now any just a woman say and now hear me video. Say your first time now download the Lemfi go smartphone so Lino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi so no rate no and switch all the other apps. Into my catch or so you see Lemfi they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send the bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make sure it's a Polino. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi. Now you should never send this car. Ebe boa ye. Send the miso abuameno. Download the Lemfi or App Store and now say Play Store.
All right, Chobia about Polino Multimedia. Medino, the Fresh Boy Papa J, and Meshia, one of the there is a big goons in the Ghana movie industry. He's the biggest input because he's one of the few people our mama Ghana movie a movie ankasa mani pa bebreni ebeji eyesini ho e Ghana edu baby no so ono mfa ma ya obi antimi mfa ma ono de na obi a epe ahwe na me the CEO of Miracle Films Evangelist Samuel Nyameche and ehia ye babedi enkomo ye hia enkomo no say de na yesini ho enkomo ene nsem ko bi ekoso in the industry no and yebedi ho enkomo ntino before say be kasa no so wo Canada wo UK wo USA wo Germany wo France wo Italy wo Ireland Portugal now person send this cable busia for you Lemfi never send the sika ebre busia for Lemfi say you free until free promo code nye Polino we use Lemfi be here no other show Lemfi say first time man obehwe baby a wo bi a send the sika ndia babia no or the kakra ebe kan ho afi yenko UK akwesi de eba so 7th August akwesi de eba so 7th August nti mo UK no mo share to 7th of August so 2482 eba ya akwesi de kese pa e wo UK King George Park ti du ho amunyina monko na monko support na monko sua the Ashanti culture na betimi aboa mo papa na afi on the 2nd of August Kojon Kasala win Ibrahim Traore so eba so akwesi de ko so 17th no na 2nd August yenso so ye wo Kumase hwe Ibrahim Traore e wo SG Mo eye Kumase nti munya mo mbra support na Kojon Kasala we premium movie no na eni nyina ka ho be na Ghana movie industry no konenim san komo no bebre ne ye bedin right here on Polino Multimedia nti monka me ho na yenko na ye ma ye nyina ye papa Akwaba Emra Shonis papa Akwaba
Yeah.
What you have got there?
Yeah, don't be able.
Fantastic. Papa, you are still going young. Even who be as no white and be white and they're all right, but you look very young. You are looking good.
God.
Yeah. Papa, then I call Sinijumani na kwesi say unyuma oye no nazimu say link no more na but the end that was here current.
You need the sinini the more no one and at the same time so no yes I push to old ones maybe because if it's a new ones no and amount for the job but within 2 or 3 weeks in there must stop kakra a load old ones old movies
new ones now you try and say their own van go
because old ones no no more request old ones
wow
you know both old and new
wow now old ones no say ka this time na nka ye ko ye nim no say new ones no na manfo ani je ho na still almost
I'm
request old
surprised.
ones no.
I'm surprised that they are still requesting the old ones, you know.
Mhm.
And she loading move YouTube.
YouTube. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they call what you know, new ones, you know.
Wow. Wow. About the o sha na make us say maybe I be drew you industry mu. And cafe technology near messes and cameras good ones but TV say banner yeah cameras they using those days you know and then ka the air and then mom no senka ye may any common so far as yeah Ghana movies is concerned no. But old one na satan mpo na bia na cameras ni bia nya ni ye anke ne nka wo twa no foforo a nke bia obese na ma bi wo enu mom na ye ni je new ones ni mom no omo request it.
Oh, and yet, but majority of me channel.
Channel no yeah.
And a channel with the old movies in the BA.
Oh okay.
So normally no channel be our subscribers or more. Into no, it be new and I be better say my subscribers no. Most of them is old.
Was
And normally no me movies I'm trying no. We use quality camera that they all my movies
that time no mpo
that time.
Wow.
Movie like Kumasi Yonko, no
Yeah, still na
the quality is there because you issue DV cam.
Oh, okay.
So, and now we Sika, you issue Vita cam.
Yeah.
It's a standard about 1080p no. Still a beer any munya dear bay. And say emblem. The movies there. One of me movie back up. Me starting movie and me super VHS drive. From there be pem now quality cameras in quality. It is all about me movies are going now. It's quality.
Wow.
What the body guitar and we the same thing like the lady.
Who anymore no? Who was that time will come? I'm using good cameras. So every time movies in the MB3 system and I mean sign technology, but means some compressor, means some queen say meet the current standard.
No, I didn't see that way. But now me who say those days near from Mr. Quality.
Yeah.
Yeah. Near from Mr. Quality, you know. Not anything be a me biano. I try to make sure say my man are quality.
Yeah.
And no na leading me out. Since then, movies are training now.
Yeah.
Picture quality sound. Those days now me shoot cameraman from Nafty.
Yeah.
Sound from Nafty.
Wow.
And you know, the sound and the picture there. The movies here, old movies no nya problem about.
Yeah. Because odi e kase good movies asane ya wo ka no. Ghana ha obi entumi enyu emfiri ba ne sini twapa mu dia. Enei se wo ye adwuma enei a sani amanfo si patronize no. New ones now we say no patronize any old ones now the go no. Difference near there.
Old ones, you know. One of the things, Entina, I'm slow down with
the new
the new ones, you know. Old ones, you know. Normally we pursue new one, they are still requesting.
Oh, in time because in miracle from the scene that done in air fed, you know.
I mean, say me channel intra. Tiana requesting Madam Joan,
Kumasi Yonko, Evangelist
Lewin, we. Dina says still are they are asking, you know, old ones, no. And I'm trying say we make sure say you build up the old ones, and not the new ones neither.
No, as a director at the same time a producer, now. About say mount me say na new project bia because still now old na man for requesting there. Be challenges, challenges
because ultimately depend upon old no. Because the old no esa. What about the new? Nti but now say request na ntino and must slow down to make sure say no puppet friend say old ones no e dey go. Maybe next 2 weeks kra no yene some power war a project wadwuma see this about the cover one.
Oh, but I sent me as one frame and me
because was slow down they can't say film so on frame but the amount who say was be on frame
because was slow down and be entina bia na because na say because na say papa nye menti papa nka on frame
but movies now well recently a year and a year you break it down. The
Okay.
month year man a year.
Oh, okay. Okay. Na sɛ so yɛte sɛ mpanyinfoɔ no kɔhyia yɛ ɔmo kɔyi board bi yɛba hɔ but manhu wɔ hɔ.
At that time na me home family.
Ah.
Nti ɔmo to abandonment me ama.
Ɔnti na woyɛ aware.
Me how oh.
Oh, okay. Me yɛhu wɔ ne sɛ bi a wei deɛ mmara ka mu ɛnsa nni mu bi. Mpanyinfoɔ no nsa nni mu bi nti na woyɛ aware board na ɔmo
Board
kɔhyia.
ɔmo TV ase from the beginning na me ka ho.
Oh, okay.
And doctor ne bae ne nyinaa no ɔmo contact me and ɔmo fa committee na me ka ho.
Oh, okay.
You hear that lodge baby to make sure say at least no ebitimi a problem e wo na how we solve no and how we implement ya ebeboa no. Ti I hear that document ne na di ama no. Nti ɔmo board a wɔyi ɔmo die ɔmo ba behwɛ de di ama wɔn no ma implement.
Oh, okay.
Nti no me ya we pa.
But this industry players ni bi ka say enye the first time e bi asini omo ba na mo akoye na mo atiku na mo yewe nti we so mo say emfa results bia emba board o kwan minister wa ban wa ba hyehyɛ omo still na emfa bi papa bi ama.
It be depend on how a doctor no be handle. Me ni obi a okasa asem no bia no me ntimi grudge no because say other government no so no offer nkrofo bi ye no ma bia but ye hunu hwe but we die no de ma we die no e down so no say we know on pick entire Ghana was on the Kumasi no pese ono no as a regional minister no the budget kakra bi o woni say no be de be
okay
na o de boa so a omo so Kumawood netimi aboa tourism e wan Ashanti region. Into any entire Ghana. So any creative arts minister no it is your no case over here.
Oh, okay. Say Kumasi nkwana na ni ehwe de a
with support. Kumasi nkwana wani hwe nkwa case over you betimi aye. Ni ye no nko. Ana ye de ayi na ma no. So be implement no nko. Obenya well so all ye no nko. So case over ye nkwa do betimi aye. For me, you know, ohwe ne nimdie mu ene ne kasa mu a at least you know senye na go no ekọ no ono bae no ano no frey and say this is the vision. At least you know even creative arts minister from frame business and vision. Now what about regional minister ono afro say the creative arts say na mo de mamu me region dey me hu say dey betimi e be boa me betimi aton region more no. It's artist. Just me since I'm a bird, me share politician be also having that.
For the movie industry, no.
For the movie, we won't be that. I'm telling you because you see, if you look at the artists, omuna betimi aton bebia.
Yeah.
Uko Nigeria, uko bebia artists in the ton nation. Because omo popularity no ne omo yi no omo ye bebia uko bi omo kan ho bia.
Kofo hu omo.
And there were such people, not say, who your project there. Now the go on answer the project will be successful.
Yeah.
Look at Ashanti Festa, so yeah.
Ashanti Festa.
Ashanti Festa. Are you successful?
Yeah.
Why you see what say, Vivian J was say, Dr. Like was say, your friend say, Living was you who we was you who was at least a pulum for
for you be crab. Yeah.
But for me, the vision there, this was so one year, but I believe so with me.
Wow. Men come on, the enemy bow basically pie assembly about Bedawa, a far director so. And I'm person also a penny away you may change no sense any with home comocacra. Why is Sini be brave? Why is Sini be brave or Ghana? We see Bennett me breaking to the international level.
Oh, say a international level. Normally, no. I am not people think international level need here. So international level, you different a year.
Okay.
Na we was at international level no crown. Any day. Yeah. me gidi say me ntiase mu no. Any movie bia is international level.
Movie bia betwa.
Bia.
No matter the language,
no matter the language,
location.
no matter the location, no matter matter. Ina a co international. Me mo me bi di echi.
Okay.
So to say.
Okay.
Me wa ha. Ena German na German we are from Germany.
Wow.
Adanya the German government no ama ne kwan say on meyen hwehwemu based on the Kumawu. Wa hwe ye movies no. I was shocked that time no na wa hwe movies no. Nti no ya man so omra. Edipa two voice.
Omba Ghana. Dokuma say precise.
Call German embassy. Call report home ho.
Wow.
Ena omo bae e ba kuma si omo credit omo yesini.
Oh, okay.
See the friend opportunity.
Okay.
So why is
opportunity.
And share pictures, how the production is going on. Where your culture, where your kasa ye bibia. Then no mo hu. Moving
outside.
I never quite so tia sense. Embassies na wo ha ni nyina. E wo culture se, e wo culture. E wo mo ho. Okay. Center for movie.
Embassies in Ghana, foreign embassies.
Foreign embassies in Ghana.
Okay.
I can't remember saying I got visa. The first visa was American embassy. And I'm presenting me documents. Me presenting documents and that lost hope.
No, they lost hope.
Eda.
Wow.
Eda. The documents. At that time, there is a jacket. A piano.
Inlays no be shisha.
Inlay shisha. To be you know, and a afraid omo culture. Say omo inside omo will be or taking care of creative arts. It's like a culture or omo juma afraid no baby you know. I was wow. That time so no. Now me a smallish pa. It did not on where a yikakra. It no so wahwe movie no hwe documents am nya meche wo kan afei no who say me no interview no danche ne ye kasini no say
wow
busam say how is that winning collaboration with Nigerians you don't buy I was shocked oka Ghana movie come wasam kire me the job interview no
is Germany
no US
okay US embassy okay
yeah jai you know
visa sem
no kra di Ghana industry no how the industry sitiane and I'm so it's good at the end of mommy that idea to bring the Nigerians here to do the collaboration so and Biana me can say I wanted to if I say lifting to international level because definitely no that time no Liz Benson Pete Iduchemu Zach Ojimone ada ini nyina no na o ma lift it up this no the mama from since then me struggle with American embassy within the visa so anytime bia no usini a we bia na say ye twi say ye ewe say ye ga say ye any infant say ye ni ada bia ye akọ international international.
Wow.
Who I can't remember say we were more London sir and a one Jamaica guy be bow. Say you're stealing the story.
Hey, Jamaican,
remember your mother. I say the story no your family story now. Wow. And I'm like, I don't know you anywhere. And this is no. The guys
wow.
The storyline affecting the family line. They are watching it.
Wow.
I can't remember say Nami a friend saying London and I'm a Costa will be no you're hissing be a friend of a Jacko for 19. The Jacko for 19, a Jacko 9 or second. ɛyɛ so natural
Mhm.
wobɛka sɛ ne nan yɛ deɛ bɛn
Ɛne ya.
ɛdi guy no hwɛ no ɔhwɛ
Agya
Ghanaian movies no
Mhm.
doing the subtitle
Oh, okay. Yeah.
and I say these guys look like a Jacko. It's these guys you can make them twins so it's and
Oh, okay.
the friend so it's a Jacko
Jacko.
no it cannot be
When the nine hours
the line was how can this guy is not crippled I have so many movies there
Yeah.
and this guy is not crippled
Crippled,
and no and we see the more part one yeah
Wow.
and I'm introduce me say me na my all that movie we say that him could it free
Wow. Wow.
oh co friend in the family
Umeshe.
me
Wow.
producer oh
Wow. Wow.
and I'm catching say oh
Yeah, wow.
Jacko no
Mhm.
what
Talent.
talent uhwe sa movie no hwe Jacko nine no
Mm.
kai won't believe it enti omohwe e go international onye Jamaica ni ohwe twi
Mhm.
on ne twi ne hia
Yeah.
yes ni ba ha na na ehwe India movie
Aye.
without subtitle
Yes.
but movie ni music any barrier of language
Yeah. Yeah.
it can go anywhere it depends on who the ben
Oh yeah. It's international no to you no this time I want omo share esua about movie akọ international because obi wo no ma or say oh me movie no e koda Netflix no me movie akọ international Miracle Films movie na Netflix into on international
Netflix no cry no movie called Netflix why when ehwe na Netflix
mhm
it's African community na ehwe na Netflix Netflix the same like a YouTube it's the same thing. The only difference is what Netflix ni YouTube mu nyina na say the Netflix no wo no subscribe na why dey ben and a YouTube is free and which one now we be very free
yeah o fa ne phone an o ko so pa na o ko nanim no
internationally recently me heard Korea for series be very interesting
yeah
hey so YouTube na me read this visa what I say eti Netflix na do international obi ka say Netflix do international international na dia because ehon so ye baby a wode agu a Ghanaians Nigerians Jamaicans pepper so mo hwe o mere so we call YouTube the same thing
it's a movie koda ho anase movie koda Amazon enye exceptional bia say hono na especially international platform bia hu say YouTube dia ade da hono ma enye international na koda Amazon international
me I don't it give you plus but that doesn't mean say international let me explain way na you see say movie ko everyone say Netflix na Netflix pick movie no it give you advantage than the YouTube
oh okay
but it is same international advantage the man when say Netflix will give you heavy amount and no na your advice regional minister say on making sure say you bit me associate your home within the film festival and from a year you bit me share left and marketers near to me penetrate
okay
but a amount na benya na Netflix or maybe Amazon na bit me nya a certain amount but it's the same thing there's not the difference be any
okay
because it's the same platform obi biana or person work could be an obey the man even everyone say we see ni ko Amazon Amazon no any penny na to wade any penny na eko obi obi twist kan wa obi oye Jamaica ni ana o adai no onye de ben onko na yenti asese Netflix no e wo ho ma other countries so
yeah
so pure white na be dia man say e bia wo hwe e bia Ghanaian movie be on Netflix you should be recommending man so to say it normally no ya ji Nigerian movie na dey to Netflix na Ghanaian movie na dey omo dey based on
Ghana for Nigerians
no more no black Africans in na dey go
say be omo so ba ho omenya
omo put that taste sa na wo a ubenya India movies Indians no omo based on culture based on omo understanding and e dey ben ya gidi egu but it's international
Mhm.
obi also a oh ya no akọ click na Nigeria India movie we India movie no a no ni agye especially with kwan a butumi akọ na bi a Nigeria movie obi a Ghana movie da
Akọhwe.
butumi ahwe ni na ye platform a e di lead into
The inti ama me busa asebo nyanse de kodwo kasa lewe na de sase me beto dwa. Nti me say directors no me gi obi a dwenche kakaka concerning the movie a watcha country called Ghana. Akoda o say e Netflix, e Amazon. Nti Amazon na akono che say directors a omo directors are moving there or the only directors are on betimi directing movie amana international. Nti na the word international no and am say more educated more viewers no say movie na akoda Amazon ni there akọ international the YouTuber enye international.
Maybe I understanding no na bia but di ka say eko Amazon is plus eko Netflix is plus say will be also a DSTV people are shooting to DSTV and also say a plus but ni nyina mu any platform be a daso bia no one releasing it to international shut us
any localized
any local say you twi say ye brofo say ye awza say ye dagoma one releasing nyina into international and I don't forget the movies like from who release here eko the only expect to be kura no ede me na ohwe movie entino media minim ayi a bo modern say obetimi ahwe saade no but I believe strongly say minim mente say do sika no ana minim
me ne di nkomo
ana me mente say do sika no
o say
ana minim how a o see explaining e but
directors a bit my directing movie akọ international two pe ewo ye krum ha Fifi Gabe Jackson Kebento I'm saying no we are sure because your directors are almost a year juma from the one among for show mu sini wa abroach was watching the sini wa abroach and sini in the Amazon
o should be your Ghanaian movies because of Netflix one Ghanaian movie me finish the mu twa no sugar copy ho baby e show so me pe the title the very very you no star bia but on Netflix o mu twa no show so come up so I'm Ghanaian movies on Netflix na na mo sini da Netflix
the focus no more na okuma wood for so
it doesn't matter we are talking about disagrees minim siro sikan
that
I'm just minim say the osi asem obetimi aka asem asem no obeka no ene say do be interpreting it different so me tie the okan ya betimi ayi an but metimi aka no place enye two directors spend betimi dey akon Netflix so many directors very good Netflix nene Amazon you will be the leading with the call. It's not about your directing. There's nothing about what is that directing. The directing is like you are interpreting your story into the world. And you know, among directing, you know, they have a magic. They what the other people so is doing well.
They are doing well, but I see a human call that level. They can't do it.
No, doesn't mean say they are not doing draw. Why did they call Netflix? Why did they call Amazon? What I say? I think say Fifi Gaben is good to push his works or lobby to make sure so we'll get some of the Nigerians, some of them to push his movie. Well, you're very good for that. Or that plus. Obi need that interest. Obi interest need that Amazon any you know. Also getting the money with YouTube no kono baby. It's the same thing. And you know, young man say if you some power and I say other directors baby and I say Jones Ajima a 20 cine. Now when you be now or the more 50 Gaben no you can push it.
Okay, what try we kwa no kase so for the money call that level.
So Fifi Gaben no one at the coin.
No.
And watch a movie now we try and like Ivanda movies or yen see my DSTV near you.
Yeah.
No package na so say Fifi Garben fuck Amazon mamia. It's the same process no the koyan go head director. There's nothing about director or director in the air say yeah movie.
Yeah. But and also almost special way be on my na. You be also what they
No, you need special way be. Depending on your content and your quality.
Okay.
The quality of the camera we use, you know. So to say. And any how any pani shooting here. Ubetimi a yesini within your limit a come up out of the movie you say bullshit. Ubetimi a yesini bi na sini na wo ye no. It's why it within you know. Who say a head anye ade bia e bruce bia but na nipa agiato. It is not about director or directing movie. It's about watching content. You know? Okay. But the movie, the one of the things Tina started from the beginning. Make sure say, the beginning they call me Mr. Quality. Yeah. Up to now, my movie piano, we be no clear picture, no clear. So what me try movie, you know, and fan say the picture quality is good and ultra sound good. Simple. Because immediately I move at the end of you. You look at the camera, the picture quality, and look at the sound. Yeah. Everyone say, Ebula Troria, Lewin, Abraham Troria, why? Sebia, or they call Amazon. Ebi on for movie, entire movie in Yanko. Ebi or the be a man say, Furnace, they look at the picture, they look at the and some of was okay, my preview copy. I made preview copy or her preview copy. Only she will say the picture quality is good. Yeah, I feel I know about study with the other. No man, for me, you know, I disagree. Say,
so the director be or no, yeah, superior chain.
No, I disagree with that. Omunyina you good. Justin Cabin too is very good director. Fifi Garben were very good director. Makan so many times. You want Microphobia, we need to push them to make sure at the end of the meeting I did so Fifi Garben one of them. We will be a Urugura to make sure so we push movie into the friend saying film festivals and awards and only one of the things I know to me for one she must say Kuma would know initially and now my boy ever form. One of the things that my recommended the Ama regional minister and say as every year piano almost say pick be about 3 or 4 film festivals you push Kuma would for a moment. And I say we be a Toronto Film Festival with Mania, Berlin with Mania, Paris Festival with Mania, other festivals be a year come. No one push you meeting a friend saying Amazon marketers. When you Netflix marketers, your other platform cry is it bigger or US? Nigerians no always be the government no push you that festivals. Nipa bakwa see dinner chi ne kia bona chi domo kebetimi aboan Fifi Garben. Oh, the government na ebuan say every year bia no 4 and 3 na e betimi. Sa festival no they push Ghanaians amako. Obi on a ebi a medical can say US visa no is a difficult moment. But your young guys be able omono very good, but getting the visa no quite a problem.
Yeah.
The government need me a G protocol visas the amount. The government need his own team tria obia take it. So we are director and I say we try take it to US film festival. It's not a problem. But the problem is a shell side tunnel. Your friend is saying festival na se no because na ne board ni
stance
no na ne board ni it is a auto stance no dey be a wire flyer no na dey push tinkofo bari nya no fa flyer ni bi obi bia wo so bi anka ebura try away no ohunu wo so okọ the hotel room and wafrɛ me email yi ni
Mm.
send the trailer no ma me na me no send it to someone no ho na mo
Yeah.
no be meet you no waka one or two oh content here very good okay and then let me push you
Yeah.
enti eno na Nigerians na ya ena obedi wo masan ho asan
Asimo.
enti kuma wudu no se pese yetimi to wo mo na yetimi ben wo mo enka de fifi ga ben yi that is the best
Yeah. Yeah.
should I say that is the best
Yeah.
no or push it ko and that arura no
Aboa.
aboa ana wonim ye
Of course, what the results ba.
that
Yeah.
wonim ye on the benefit class do wonim ye no and ye
Yeah,
de ni gina
Yeah.
atwene ano ana se
Yeah.
akona no enti no wonim ye ana oye ade o that point it is it me pick no thank God say regional minister yi ni say waka ho
Okay. Yeah.
nti so utimi lead na bia every quarter bia no you push ye nyina artist odi wo
And the choir.
because Nigerians need to make collaboration with other foreign artists. It's based on the character now.
Okay.
We are producer, we are Nigerian movie. But share festival na say.
Yeah. Links.
No, oh, hey, we'll link you, give you certain role.
Yeah.
You play.
Yeah.
Now, end of the day, no, you link you to international community, no. So that's it. And Obi Kraka say I enter into internationally. Proper international is a one Schwarzenegger movie na we are seeing
Yeah. That's the biggest platform.
That's the biggest platform.
Yeah.
The platform ni there be obeye bia no what do international. But ultimately copy Amazon or there is a plus for you, but it doesn't mean say
we are the best.
we are the best.
It's a comment, you know. People are saying it's a disrespect to some of the directors. So, over 5 directors, 2. I can't tell me say these are the only 2 directors in Kumawuda. On bet me, I movie Amana international. Abra other ones also enya that opportunity to improve on. So I'm not say disrespect to. Sorry to say, okra munyina wankasa so can be.
Oh, me, I will not put it that way. Because normally, no, Bible can't say me say, nimdi ame man nimti. The lack of knowledge, my people perish. And the idea you know, based on knowledge. Until we want some now or can based on said you know. Should I say? For me, I'm not sure say. Fifi Gabin bit me jina baby can we. Didn't cancer. And I'm not sure say Jackson be cancer. Because at the end of the day, you know, omunina as any director biano, opportunity abenya works, you know, a push yako. And a bed a bit mamma it doesn't mean say they are very good. That one no will be to be free. Fifi Gabins when you're very good, is very good director. Jackson is a very good director. But it doesn't mean say omunkwa and only word maintain there. This is the first time I meet a few. Some can no there for me no I disagree with it. But enya dia meka say what disrespect will be and adwene no why dey be. And obi kan adwene a untimi nkasa na adwene na waka nti. If you say other people know will bring the opinion who say yeah some more kind of ebi on one case or transit covid no some of the kind of who say and kai
Director, what makes a good director? Because we a very good director. Then a bit really actually.
A good director no met me am picking from 3 angles. Should I say? A DNA team who say will be a good cook. Aduane onimiye. A DNA who will be in aduane.
At times we try will be there chikra na aduane undi bi. Ba be aroma na scent be fa hwenu because aduane dey ni po you ni aduane e.
Ntino. A movie no. Yaka should be a good director. One director no movie no how I see a hit it.
On share kra mpo na what ho asem.
Man you good director. Obi a ultimate hit the movie hit. It's not about technical.
Yeah. Hit.
Obi no aduane. Now course set them. na nipa do di aduane no so nye da
Nye de.
aduane no ano
Ko
there's a question mark
yeah.
nti sɛ wokɔyɛ directing wɔ US kɔyɛ directing wɔ ha kɔyɛ directing wɔ na yɛ movie na nkurɔfoɔ ani nye ho a there's a question mark
Yeah.
adentra because baby a wo no aduane determine
Ebi a wo nu
baby a wo no aduane determine baby a wo no aduane no
Ebi a wo twa osini no.
baby a wo twa osini no determine
Mm.
for instance there are so many people my je courses more omo ye senior na hete omo ye senior na hete because the ideology omo ye dey ma omo we nya one opportunity be on nafti na I'm just giving a little lectures na make say when to me and adopt kuma structure ni bi anka wo de ho a who direct senior who be failure with the kuma setup what them yes
Yeah.
because kuma would no one no friends say one the community borrow YouTube on the community YouTube on the community and a gala would no one community and the ideology and what the direct Gallywood no eba kuma would be feel flat
so o bridge o the fra
so to be the fra
no wanya hanya ha
sanity so na with the ideology with the kuma would no eko Gallywood we feel flat because also one community omo do mpe enti no the more be a good director and say my director na ye Ariza movie my Dagoma movie my Frafra movie I hate them I'm a community I'm a good director my senior Makuma Wood I hate Makuma Wood is a good director my Ghana is a good director and nobody we are answering a share director no how was he interpreting the story how was he thinking about how we see open the story and see this will be no aduane how we see cook aduane no how we see chi no no more we be chi wo ye aduane wo so or the prepare ne even saying spice obu a o use spices no ne no dia ya ugina say dey work no ugina chire kura no a uti sa scent no na that aroma na ye dey be amo aba ho nti obi won so a how we see a directing the movie no that is the way you know omo do mbe ye anyhow be see aye no no and also timi ma hu say yes we a good director so to say and na say the nipa be see a director ade no your friend director but nipa no be gina ho on director hwe ma no how can you say you are a director you are a teacher you need to teach them
okay
and as a director no who na wo direct nipa no
you say
eja ko nan no aye ne ya no me na me say 96 I'm just me ya kire
wo demonstrate
me demonstrate ya cho say no nan say so nan say na gum say
wow
so nan say na gum say and we good no ye perfect nti no why anywhere that is the director no will be a wo dan person woni fra na oba obi ehun se nipa na ne ide be fra me pese wo kroso me pese dialogues we na mpe no so make you a good director but me for me the director a bit maka so you good and the director of movie hit
so you say movie no technically name bi nko yie kwa na say a hit a o good director
and when I be kana mama kan show coming to America, there's so many technical errors.
Coming Eddie Murphy.
So many technical errors.
Wow, it's a hit.
Obiani, because New Jersey, and I'm here moving and I make a true say there's a technical error. He argued with me. And if you say, yeah, call reverse, I'm say, look. Shatale a jacket ne aboa no here see owura ho so okọ ne ba no girlfriend no girlfriend ho no Eddie Murphy girlfriend we na jacket nation bi it's error continuity
a bit no Oh, okay.
But you can't use to judge that movie.
Yeah, drink one so.
You can't. You don't mean you shouldn't judge. Since I hate, what is your problem? Kumasi Yonko, there is a big error.
Mm-hmm.
Obi enhui.
This is what we can.